What is one method of reducing human-wildlife conflict? Education programs. What is a common challenge in wildlife management? Conflicts with agriculture. What is the primary goal of conservation biology? To preserve biodiversity. What is a key consideration when designing animal studies? Experimental controls. What is the term for the study of animal behavior? Ethology. What is a common consequence of habitat loss? Species extinction. Which agency is responsible for enforcing the Animal Welfare Act? USDA. What is the primary focus of veterinary wildlife medicine? Conserving wildlife populations. What is the significant risk of using animals in research? Ethical concerns. What is the main purpose of a wildlife sanctuary? To protect animals from hunting. Which of the following is a method used for tracking wildlife? Telemetry. What is the role of a wildlife biologist? Managing wildlife populations. What does the term in situ conservation refer to? Conserving species in their natural habitat. What is the main focus of fisheries management? Fish population control. What is an important factor in assessing animal behavior? Environmental conditions. What is the main goal of wildlife rehabilitation? To return animals to the wild. Which is a common non-invasive method for studying wildlife? Camera trapping. What is the primary purpose of a wildlife corridor? Linking habitats. What type of study examines the interactions between different species? Community ecology. What is the term for the study of animal populations in their natural environment? Ecology.